Let's explore how to run Docker containers in background mode. We'll focus on using the -d flag to detach containers, allowing them to run independently. Background mode allows containers to run independently from your terminal session. This means the container continues to operate even after you close the command prompt. It's like starting a program and then closing its window, but the program keeps running behind the scenes. The -d flag is the key to running containers in background mode. The -d flag stands for detached mode. When you start a container in detached mode, it runs in the background, freeing up your terminal. Here's the basic syntax for running a container in detached mode. Docker run, space, -d, space, then the name of the image you want to use. For example, Docker run -d my_image. This command tells Docker to start a new container from the specified image and run it in the background. Here are a couple of examples of using the -d flag in practice. First, to run an Nginx container in detached mode, you would use the command docker run -d Nginx. Second, to run an Apache container in detached mode and map port 8080 on your host to port 80 on the container, use this command docker run -p8080:80 Apache. Running containers in background mode offers several key benefits. First, terminal freedom. You can continue using your terminal for other tasks, instead of being tied up with the container's output. Second, it is production ready. It's perfect for server deployments, where you need containers to run continuously without direct supervision. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.